So here's a routine I like for those of you into 3D printing. I printed up these dice. These are number dice that we used in this effect. You need magician and 2 spectators. You have spectator number 2 on your right. Shuffle up the cards. Put them on the deck. Ask spectator number 1 to cut the deck and complete the cut. Spectator number 1 does that. Now, before we get started, I am going to do something here. I'm going to remove 1 and 1 only card. Oh, yeah, that's the one. It's about as close as I think I'm going to be able to get, but we'll put it here in the card box for now. So here's what we're going to do. We've got these 2 dice that I printed up on my 3D printer. They're number dice. They're used by little kids to do math. So here in this case, you have a 9 and an 8, which would be 17. You've got an 8 and a 12. That would be a 20. So I'm going to give 1 to you and 1 to you. I want each of you to roll the dice. 2 random events. You just rolled a 10 and an 11. That is 21. We ask spectator number 1. Would you like to change your mind and roll again? Okay, they do. Now they got a 7. 7 and 11 is 18. Yeah, spectator number 2. I'm going to give you the choice. Would you like to roll your dice again? No. Okay, great. This is about the decisions that you are going to make. Spectator number 2, would you please cut 1/2 of the deck here, because we do not need it. So that spectator cuts the deck in half. We put this half aside. Here's what we're going to do. These 2 random numbers that each of you rolled, and you changed your mind, we are going to now deal that many cards to mix them up. That's 18. That's what I would like you to do. So then the magician now hands the cards to spectator number 1, who deals 18 cards and completes the cut. $18 cards, complete it. Pass the deck over to spectator number 2. They deal 18. And they complete the cut. So remember, you shuffled the cards, you cut off half the deck. We only used half left. You each rolled the dice. You even changed your mind at the number. We could have had any number, but we had number 18. Now remember, before we started, I pulled a card out of that deck. You got us to the Queen of Hearts. All this dealing. Wouldn't it be amazed if I got the other queen? Now this trick I found in this book, number 6 of Nick Troost. Subtle Card Creations. If you go to my Patreon site, I printed up these dice. This is the original size. I am making the STL file completely available to any members. Printed them in blue. These I updated. I rounded the edges on them. These are the latest version that are up and available for free. And these I printed in TPU, which is basically a softer plastic than PLA, if you're familiar with that. I will put in the comments below the link to go to get all of these. And I will actually do a video where I will teach how to do this on my site and make it available exclusively to my members. Thank you.